Today, I'll be teaching you simple steps to build an AI automation N8N API. By the end, you'll understand how people build AI systems that answer customers, automate businesses, and generate income. Think of AI as the brain of a robot. When you ask, write an email, the AI thinks and creates the answer. Examples of AI: ChatGPT Gemini, Claude DeepSeek. Remember, AI can think, AI can write, AI can answer questions, AI cannot automatically send WhatsApp messages or emails by itself.
2. API equals the messenger. Imagine you want to talk to your friend who lives far away. You use a phone. An API works the same way. It carries messages between two apps. Example: your app down arrow, API carries the message. ChatGPT down arrow, API brings the answer back. Your app without the API, the two apps cannot communicate. 3. N8N equals the robot worker. Think of N8N as the worker that follows instructions. It doesn't think. Instead, it says, when a new email arrives, send it to AI. Take the answer. Send it back to WhatsApp. That's automation. How they work together. Imagine someone sends, "How much is this laptop?" The process looks like this. Customer WhatsApp N8N receives the message. API sends. The message AI understands it. API returns the answer. N8N sends the reply. Customer receives, the laptop costs 450,000 naira. Everything happens automatically. An easy way to remember think of it as job AI. The brain thinks and answers API. A telephone carries messages in N8N. Worker connects apps and does tasks. So if someone asks you, what is AI automation? You can answer, AI is the brain, the API is the messenger, and N8N is the worker that connects everything together. This simple idea is the foundation of almost every AI automation business.